The Sphynx Cat breed is striking and utterly unmistakable thanks to their natural baldness. Their unconventional looks have gained the Sphynx a fair share of fans and a few who are less than impressed by the breed's nakedness. But no matter how you feel about their head-turning appearance, these clownish cats are intelligent, engaging, and devoted pets. Today we will tell you about Sphynx Cat Breed, facts behind the hairlessness, and why they're so expensive. 11. Hairless, but from the cold north. If I tell you to think about a mammal that is native to the cold climes of North America, you would probably expect it to be hirsute as it crawled over snow in the chilly winter. Ironically, the hairless Sphynx cat's ancestors are from the cold north. Originally named Canadian hairless, the Sphynx got its start in Toronto, Canada, in 1966, when a litter of domestic short-hair kittens included a hairless kitten as the result of a naturally occurring genetic mutation. Although other hairless kittens had been born prior to this, the Sphynx as we know it today is the result of selectively breeding these hairless cats to normal coated cats and then breeding their offspring back again to other hairless cats, a process that has not only produced the desired breed characteristics, but also served to widen the gene pool to produce a genetically hardy breed of cat, according to Cat Time. But it wasn't until 2002 that the Cat Fanciers Association accepted the Sphynx for competition in the championship class, and other cat associations quickly followed suit. 10. Did you know? In Sphynx cats, the mutation of the creatine encoding gene KRT71 is responsible for the hairlessness of these cats. This mutation leads to dislodging, which is the result of damage to the structure of the hair in this bald cat. The basic difference between a Sphynx cat and a Bambino cat is that the Bambino cat has shorter legs as compared to the Sphynx cat. This means that the Bambino cat is a dwarf cat, while the Sphynx is not. 9. Relatively uncommon appearance. The Sphynx, while considered a hairless cat, isn't necessarily hairless. These felines are covered in a fine down coat that's hard to see, but immediately apparent, as in super soft, to the touch. Sphynx is one of the several hairless cat breeds that should not be mistaken with the Sphinx, a mythical creature with the head of a falcon, a sheep or a human, and the body of a lion. This hairless cat breed has very fine hair on its body and a skin color which is similar to chamois leather. The lack of fur on its body is a result of a genetic mutation through selective breeding. Scientifically, the Sphynx cat breed is known as Felis cactus. The Sphynx Cat Club actually refers to this down as giving the overall feel of soft, warm chamois leather. A Sphynx can also have a few sparse whiskers and eyebrows that give her even more personality, or none at all. Aside from their hairless bodies, Sphynxes are known for their lemon-shaped eyes, nimble toes, big ears, and round belly. The Sphynx cat skin is often pigmented or patterned, just like a traditional house cat's coat. And like furrier felines, Sphynxes come in a wide variety of colors and markings. From darkly colored black Sphynx cats to patterned tortoiseshell kittens, there's no shortage of variety. Sphynx are also considered a medium-sized cat. Females can weigh as little as 6 pounds, while larger males can tip the scales at about 14 pounds. While the defining physical feature of the Sphynx cat is the apparent lack of hair, this breed has other distinctive characteristics as well, once you've looked past the nudity. Notable traits include piercing lemon-shaped eyes, long finger-like toes, perfect for biscuit baking, large bat-esque ears, and a big rounded belly. Despite this rounded midsection, Sphynx cats are actually incredibly active, athletic animals with muscular bodies. Another Sphynx trait is lots of visible wrinkles. These kitties aren't actually more wrinkly than other cats, but the lack of thick fur highlights this universal feline trait. 8. Plenty of upkeep. If there's one thing you need to know before bringing home a Sphynx, it's that her lack of hair doesn't mean less grooming. In reality, she's going to need plenty of upkeep. Cat fur soaks and separates oil secretions, and without it, your kitty's skin can get greasy, dirty, and even smelly. Sphynxes need at least weekly bathing, regular ear cleaning, and nail trimming to keep them looking and feeling their best. And take note, this hairless cat is actually just as susceptible to fleas as their furrier counterparts, so you'll still need to take the regular flea precautions. Cat owners should ask their veterinarian about what type of soap or shampoo to use, says Catherine Lennox, DVM, DACVM, and board-certified veterinarian nutritionist at Royal Canine. Nothing too drying should be used. Sphynxes are naturally active animals, so you won't need to go out of your way to keep their paws moving. As long as you provide them with plenty of cat toys to keep them busy, you can expect them to have the same schedule as pretty much every other cat, long sleeping hours with high-energy bouts of running, jumping, and playing. These clever, curious cats can take to training quickly and love to learn. Positive reinforcement and lots of attention are key to teaching your cat commands and tricks. A Sphynx would love to learn to fetch. As social butterflies, a Sphynx cat will get along with almost any member of the family, whether four-legged or two. If anything, their tendency is to seek out attention, and insatiable curiosity can get them into trouble. Keep an eye on your Sphynx to make sure she doesn't wander off to explore the neighborhood. As with any cat, she should never be outside unsupervised. Sphynx cats can have a big appetite to match their big bellies and require more food than most cats. Keep an eye on their weight, but don't be worried about their rounded midsections that are a perfectly healthy feature of this breed. Check in with your vet to know when, what food, and how often to feed your Sphynx. 7. Sphynx cats can get sunburn. Because Sphynxes are always walking around in the nude, these cats tend to be sensitive to the sun and the cold. If you live in a cold climate, keep your kitty warm with a fuzzy and stylish sweater or coat. However, you should bear in mind that due to its lack of a dense coat, a Sphynx cat's skin is more sensitive than other cats. So yes, they can get sunburnt. They are a warmer breed of cats as well, roughly 40 centigrades warmer than average. If you take them out on a scorching summer afternoon, they can get overheated. While they can go outside in temperate weather, they should mostly be kept as indoor cats. 6. Sphynx cats need regular baths. Think Sphynx kittens are super clean because they don't have fur? Think again. While your cat's coat may not be a magnet for dust particles, pollen, and other substances, its skin still produces oil. For most cats, oil helps keep their fur sleek, but with Sphynx cats, it can form a greasy film all over their bodies, meaning their owner must give them weekly baths. The same goes for the ears. Since there aren't any hairs to block out dirt or dead skin cells from accumulating inside the cavities, owners have to regularly wipe them down with a washcloth or cotton ball to keep ears clear. Cat experts suggest that Sphynx owners should give the cats baths at least once a week to keep them clean, fresh, and hygienic. 5. Owning a Sphynx cat is an expensive affair. Unlike regular felines, Sphynx cats need a lot of attention, care, and food. Sphynx cats are extremely hungry, thanks to their incredibly high metabolism, and always have an appetite. They need a diet that is high in protein for optimal health. Thanks to their fast metabolisms, Sphynx cats need more food than the average feline. In other words, keeping them well-stuffed and healthy means putting aside a bit of a larger budget for high-quality cat food. 4. Why is Sphynx cat expensive? Sphynx are purebred cats and are rare to find. Their market demand is high, leading to a higher Sphynx cat cost over $3,500, but they need a lot of care and attention. It is a fashion to keep them as pets. Apart from this, their appearance is something one does not find everywhere. These are a few reasons why they are expensive to buy. You may get a lower price for this cat breed from a Sphynx cat rescue center or from an approved breeder in the range of $1,800 to $3,000. 3. Sphynx cats are popular. While pet owners in America love furry cats like ragdolls, exotic short hairs, Persians, and Maine Coons, Sphynxes are currently ranked the 9th most popular feline breed in the country, according to the Cat Fanciers Association registration statistics from 2019. 2. Breeding expenses. Breeding exotic cats such as Sphynxes is a huge financial responsibility. It takes a lot of work in breeding them, as they require special care compared to other cat breeds. The cost of initial medical tests alongside their nutrition and basic needs can all add up pretty fast. 1. Cat quality. There are two types of Sphynx cats: pet quality and show quality. Generally, show quality Sphynxes cost a lot more. Show quality Sphynxes meet the entire breed standard, which includes temperament, color, size, body proportion, and many more. To put it simply, show quality cats are like the beauty queens and the models of the cat world. Pet quality Sphynxes, on the other hand, usually do not meet one or more of the said criteria. There is nothing wrong with these cats, except for the fact that they lack perfection, aesthetically and temperamentally. Do let us know in the comment if you like this hairless cat or not. Please subscribe to the All Cats. Thanks. Thanks for watching.